Hi, welcome back to another video with Acer and Apps Events. In today's video we're going to go onto our Chromebook, open up Google Sheets and find out all about conditional formatting. Follow me.
And here we are on my Chromebook. Now the first thing we'll do is navigate to our Google Drive and create a brand new Google Sheets file. So go ahead and right click Google Sheets. Now whenever you're creating new files, it's always good practice to first title your files. So let's go ahead and give this file a title. There we go, conditional formatting. And then all that's left for us is to input some data. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make 3 columns, and we are going to call these student 1, student 2, student 3. And now we are going to select these 3 columns and use a fun little trick where you can simply use machine learning to fill out the rest. There we go. Now these 6 students have all taken a test. There is a test A, test B, test C, and we have some results back. So let's go ahead and put in some results. Now student 1 in test A has had an A, there we go, B, C. Let's just put in some random results. And there we go, we're going to give every student different results. And this is of course very difficult to look at a glance. Now conditional formatting is going to allow us to quickly see which students are performing well. So let's just quickly resize and give it a different font. Now this is all to make it easier to read. Now all those A's, B's and C's, we want them to correspond to a different color. So select, then go to the format menu, and we're going to select conditional formatting. Now within conditional formatting we can have a single color or color scale. Now we'll look at the color scale later. For this part we're going to use single color and text contains. Now whenever the text contains the value A, we want it to be green, add another rule. When the text contains B, we want it yellow, add another rule. When the text contains C, we are going to change the color. So what we can do is select a different fill. There we go, add another rule. Then we are going to do the same for D and F. Now again, you can do this with words, letters, or strings of words. So go ahead and play around with this. Now you can immediately see which students are performing well and which students are not. Now there is another way that you can use this, and that is, as you can see now, whenever I change results, the color will automatically change as well. So this is again very useful. You set it up once and it just works. Now let's have a look at the other option. So let's go ahead and copy this row. There we go. We're going to copy the tests, and let's say that we are using numbers instead of letters. So let's go ahead and put some 1s, 2s and 3s in there. Let's give them some random results on their tests. There we go. And some more. All done. Select your values. And now we're going to go to color scale, and as you can see it's already suggesting some different color scales. We're going to go with the one with yellow in the middle. There we go. We're happy with that. Now we could always tweak it using a color scale, a custom color scale, but for now we're going to click on done. And there we go. That's your conditional formatting. Easy to use and very useful.
There you go. Conditional formatting, easy to use, it makes everything visually appealing and it helps you sort your data. This was another Tips and Tricks with Acer, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.